Hi, my name is Noelle. Welcome to the Pasolivo Kitchen Cuisine. Today we're going to be making red jalapeno pulled pork sandwiches. So the way we're going to start off is with the marinade for the pork. So I got a big piece of pork shoulder. It's 4 pounds. I could only find the bone-in at the store, so the recipe does call for boneless, but bone-in works too if you can't find what you're looking for. Like I discovered a couple days ago when I was looking for the ingredients that I needed for this recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is take 3 tablespoons of our smoky spice blend. Right here. I'm going to sprinkle it over. 2 tablespoons of our winter ambrosia vinegar. Take this glove off and then do 3 tablespoons of the red jalapeno. So this we're going to let sit and marinate for at least 30 minutes. An hour is good too. Alright, so first we're going to start off pouring the 4 cups of chicken broth. And then mix in 3 tablespoons of the chipotle barbecue sauce. And then our pork that's been marinating for at least 30 minutes and up to an hour. So you do want the broth to cover the top of the pork, so you might need a little bit more. It seems like I do here, so I'm going to go get some more chicken broth. 2 cloves of grated garlic as well. Alright, so this is going to simmer on very, very low heat for 4 to 6 hours. You'll know when it's done when it's kind of, you barely push it with very little resistance and it kind of falls apart.